Hi art friends, today I'm sharing with you a video of me doing some cute doodles of birds. As you can see just there, my supply list includes my new Leuchtturm sketchbook, not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, hope I am, Crayola Supertips, a Copic blender pen and a Pentel brush pen. Now what I'm doing here, I thought I'd just explain this little technique I've been using recently. I've been laying down my Copic blender pen first before applying my Crayola Supertips, and the effect this has is a smoother laydown of the colour, and it also allows me to go over the same bit of drawing more times than I could if I wasn't using the Copic blender pen, because I don't know whether you've tried using normal felt tips on their own, such as Crayola Supertips, but you can't go over the same area on your paper lots of times without it chewing up the paper. So I decided to experiment because I really wanted to use my Crayola Supertips, but I wanted to get a really nice smooth look without the look of lots of marks of where you've started colouring and then it's dried and then you've gone on to the next bit and you can see it. And this method here with the blender pen seems to work really well, so why not give it a go with your felt tip pens? Anyway, I've added some nice relaxing music to this video. It's only sped up by 4 times, so you should be able to see what I'm doing nice and clearly. I was drawing quite slowly in the first place, yeah, I just had a nice time doing some doodles, so I hope you enjoy watching the rest of this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Now they're drying, I can definitely see a difference. I thought they looked the same to start with, but you do have to wait for alcohol markers to dry a bit before you see what they really look like. So yeah, that's a gorgeous pale version of this.